Good morning, everyone. I'm Garvi Basiwar. I'm Anatya Breda. And I'm Aditya. And today we have built our prototype for the Viksit Bharat Buildathon 2025. And our team name is Biz Buddies. So before I start, I need to ask you a simple question. How often do you notice people suffering from stress and anxiety? Most of you would answer you see people almost daily because as the modernization is being done and world is developing, the stress and complexity and challenges are coming. So, so for that challenges, we have created our prototype. The core problem is that we have done a survey in which we have found that many people suffer from difficulties in their daily life that give them stress in their minds. We made the first AI-powered stress relief sensation. It has stress relief sensation automatic and it works automatically without any user input and it is lightweight. So now you must be thinking, why are people stand out in the market? It will stand out in the market because it has many functions that the other competitors does not have. Like it has three-stage therapies, and it can detect your stress using BPM and many things. So before coming to market, and I will show you how it will work. So now, as I have put it on the screen. So now, as you can see, I started calculating the RD's the BPM. Like right now, it's 18, and it continuously calculates the BPM. Right now, it can only show you your BPM on laptop, but in future update, we will try to get the Bluetooth connectivity for better user interaction. So this was now let's come to the market analysis. So, as you can see in the pie chart, that the total market available is 89%. The competitors' market size is 10%, and Relaxio market size is 1%. So, as Relaxio, there is a very much bigger market available, so it has a big opportunity to get us in the market. So, now let's talk about the unit economy. Market enterprises 20%, selling and marketing 25%, operations 20%, and in total it is 65%. So, as you can see in the bar graph, that the customer demand is increasing year by year. So now let's talk about some competitors offering. So as you can see in the table, there are three competitors of us. Like first one, you can use your laptop or phone to get instant stress relief through listening songs, etc. But it does not detect your stress level or BPM, so it's not that good. Second, we have smart wearables like smartwatches, Apple watches, etc. It detects your stress and BPM, but it does not give you therapies to reduce it. And the last one is biofeedback devices like Apollo Neuro. It gives you stress relief through vibration, massage, and it also detects your stress, but it gives you only one stage therapy. But Relaxio gives you full stage, multi-stage therapies, which can be included in this hat. So, the benefits of this hat is that it provides you three stages of therapy that relaxes your mind. It is a smart wearable device, and it can be controlled over the without using. So you must be thinking what would be the impact of this project. The impact would be huge. As when you are having stress, you can't concentrate on your work properly, and you can't go. You need a frequent break. So this hat will get you stress relief instant when you get stressed, and you can be able to concentrate on your work better. Thank you.